Hello everyone. Welcome to the operation guide for the T810 Remote Dog Trainer. We will take you to fully master the core functions and usage methods of the product. Let's start now. After opening the box, let's check the package contents one by one. The package includes one user manual, one transmitter, one receiver, one Type-C charging cable, one pair of short contact point, one pair of long contact point, one static stimulation test light. First, let's take a look at the transmitter. There's a buckle design on the top, which is convenient for carrying. Below the screen, there are multiple buttons, including a compass for direction indication, a sound button, a static button, a vibration button, a flashlight button, and dog 1, 2, 3 buttons for selecting receivers. On the side, there's a lock button, a mode button, plus or minus buttons, and a Type-C charging port at the bottom. There's a flashlight. Now let's take a look at the transmitter screen display. It will show the static warning safety lock, light icon, bark control icon, battery level, beep vibration, static level, dog 1, 2, 3 channels, warning mode, beep mode, vibration mode, and static mode. For the transmitter, short press the lock button to turn it on, and long press the lock button to turn it off. Next is the receiver color. The front has LED indicators, a microphone, and a speaker. The side has a power button. The back has a Type-C charging port with a protective cover, and 2 slots for installing contact points. For the receiver, short press the power button to turn it on, and long press the power button to turn it off. Now, let's start pairing. First, make sure the receiver is off. Press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. The mode lasts 15 seconds. If not pairs, it beeps twice and shuts down. Hold the button again for 3 seconds to reach high. Next, make sure the transmitter is on. Press and hold the dog 1, 2, 3 button, enter channel selector. Then short press the dog 1, 2, 3 button to choose channel 1, 2, 3. Finally, press any other function button to confirm. When pairing is successful, the receiver will beep once. Next, we will detail the training function. Short press the mode button to switch between 3 warning modes: sound, vibration, and static. Use the plus minor buttons to adjust the level of each mode. The sound mode has 8 levels, the vibration mode has 8 levels, and the static mode has 16 levels. Short press the lock button to lock or unlock the static warning mode. Once locked, the static function cannot be activated to ensure safe use. 1. Sound warning. Short press or long press the sound button to emit sound commands. There are 8 levels, each with a different tone. 2. Vibration warning. Short press or long press the vibration button to emit vibration commands. 3. Static warning. Short press or long press the static button to emit static correction commands. Now, let's introduce the bark control function, which can automatically identify the dog's barking and issue warnings. Long press the mode button to switch from training mode to bark control mode, and the transmitter screen will display bark control mode. Short press the lock button to turn the bark control function on or off. If the bark control icon shows up, that means the bark control mode is on. When the bark control icon disappears, that means the bark control mode is off. Short press the static button to select static bark control mode. Short press the vibration button to select vibration bark control mode. In both modes, the warning intensity will automatically increase from low to high. Use the plus minor buttons to adjust the sensitivity, with 1 to 5 levels in total. The higher the level, the easier it is for the device to identify barking and trigger the bark control function. Now, let's introduce the dual light system. The light status changes with the number of presses. First, long press. The transmitter's light stays on continually. Second, long press. The transmitter's light flashes quickly. Third, long press. The transmitter's light turns off. Fourth, short press. The receiver's light stays on continuously. Second, short press. The receiver's light flashes quickly. Third, short press. The receiver's light turns off. Before using the device for the first time, please fully charge it. Use the included Type-C charging cable. The charger is universal, but it must meet the direct current 5 volts 1 ampere specification. During the charging process of the transmitter, the battery icon on the screen will dynamically display the charging progress. Once fully charged, the complete battery progress will be shown. During the charging process of the receiver, the white LED light flashes slowly. When fully charged, the white LED light stays on continuously. Now, let's learn about the static function. To use the static function, first install the contact points. We provide 2 pairs. Use the short ones for short-haired dogs and the long ones for long-haired dogs. Tack out the appropriate contact points and align them with the 2 slots on the receiver. Insert the contact points into the slots. Rotate them clockwise to tighten. Finally, use the static test light to assist in tightening to ensure the contact points are firmly installed. After installation, gently pull the contact points to check if they are secure. If they do not fall off, the installation is successful. Now, let's start the testing steps. Step 1. On the transmitter, sure press the lock button to unlock the static function. Step 2. Pick up the static test light and place it firmly on the 2 contact points of the receiver step light. Step 3. Press the static button on the transmitter. If the static test light turns on, it indicates that the static function is working properly. That's the full tutorial. Thank you for choosing our T810. We hope it helps with safe, effective dog training.